So Rob started off, on the front foot there, 2 early goals, then up a bit tighter.
Yeah, we had a great start. I asked for a fast start. I asked to get an early goal, and we done that. Went 2-0 up, and we couldn't quite get the third. I thought the chances we created were very good. They bought into what we've asked them to do in the final third. Created chance after chance, but that final detail, whether it was the final pass or the finish, just let us down a little bit tonight.
The start was very Hunter, reminds me a bit like the senior team yesterday. You trying to drill some of them ideas into the team as well?
Absolutely, yeah. I think the key principles that Ryan wants to implement in the first team, I think, is really important that we implement them in the under-21s as well, because like they shown last night, these boys are one step away and at any time can be called upon to go with the first team.
You've seen that now in several of the players played 21s the last 12 months, were playing yesterday as well. There's potential for these boys as well.
And that's their incentive. Ryan's true to his word. The minute he took over the job, he was on the phone to me and said about what players have we got coming through. So I knew he was really keen to develop these young players. Showed that last night. When you look at the finishing team that finished the game last night was really young, with Matty Smith going on and giving a good account of himself, and Brookesies of the world and Meps and Ampadu, who's still 17. It's really encouraging for Welsh football, and there's still more coming through the system.
And looking ahead to Tuesday now, Portugal, another tough challenge. What's your expectations?
Well, it's going to be a tough game for us. We're realistic with that. They've got an abundance of talent. We saw that firsthand in the away fixture, so it's going to be a tough game. But we've shown today we can create chances. I'm going to set them a challenge now that still create the chances, but be more clinical in our finishing. We could have been 4 or 5 goals to the good tonight if we'd have finished our chances, and that let us down. If all aspects of the game can come together on Tuesday, then we're confident going into it that we can get the win.